Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to contact Amazon customer service on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can go ahead and open Amazon application on your device. Well, after that here you can click profile icon at the bottom. And then you can select your account. Okay, and then here will appear several menus about your Amazon account. Okay, and then to contact customer service, you can press this option. Okay, and then here you can find the solution to your problems related to Amazon apps. Well, that's the tutorial on how to contact Amazon customer service on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.